What's up guys, this is your boy Z Charlie once again with another video for you guys. And today we're at Cars and Coffee and it was a mission to get here, and you guys can see. I'll tell you about the story getting here in a second, and let's start with a montage. Alright guys, story time. I just want to talk about a few things, and before we get to that, let's go to, don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on IG, Thru Charlie. Besides that, let's go to story time. Story time. JP hit me up last night to go Cars and Coffee. I was like, alright, let's go. And after that, we were like, he told me to meet up them in the morning at Wawa Deerfield. Them is VQ Southeast. It's a car crew, pretty cool guys. Met them, very cool. So we got to Wawa, we're just chilling, talking, cleaning up the cars, and then after that, we decided to go to Cars and Coffee. We all rode out, very fun. I should have recorded that, but it was early in the morning, so we got there riding. We're riding along with Mustangs, Lambos, Porsches, all supercars, some GTRs. A very cool experience. All of us were going pretty quick, you could say. But I gotta say, that was fun. A lot of fun. I definitely want to do that again, riding out people. And when we got to Cars and Coffee, it was a long wait. So we got to Cars and Coffee, we were waiting in line, and then we got to, right before getting inside, they rerouted us to around the plaza, to the other entrance, and we got to the other end of the entrance. Let's say it took us about 20 minutes to get there. Almost 20 minutes to get there, and then we got to the entrance, and yo, they made us wait another 20-30 minutes because they're not allowing anybody in. So, which was shitty, but it's alright. Oh damn, look at that. That was clean BMW, props. So besides, we were just waiting there talking, and it was like taking us forever. It was very hot. It was a little annoying, but it is what it is because a lot of people showed up. Props to Cars and Coffee, always hosting a big ass meet, giving props all the time. So I recommend you guys go to Cars and Coffee. And as soon as we got inside, we parked up, took pictures and stuff, and we're just talking, walking around. Very cool experience. You guys already saw the montage, and it was a fun day. I gotta say, it was a very fun day, very cool people, and I definitely will do this again. Alright, Cars and Coffee is almost over. It's hot as fuck out here, and guys, I'm here chilling with some BQ Southeast Z's. You guys can see. I'll do a little clip of that a little bit, but it's hot as fuck, and I don't know what to do right now. I'm sweating balls, and follow VQ Southeast right here. Well, what's your IG?
That's right, VQ Southeast on IG. And don't forget this guy right here,
JP.
That's right,
Show Guy Productions. Follow up.
Alright guys, it's gonna be a short video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy Cars and Coffee. Leave likes and comments, and don't forget, subscribe me and subscribe to JP.
Please do.
And also leave comments about what you guys liked about the car show. What's your favorite car? And I'll see you guys next time.